What is going on, guys? Today's video, we are in South Florida. We're closer to Miami. Is probably the biggest major city that most people are familiar with. This is what it looks like, and right now I'm headed across the southern part of Florida. We're gonna go to the west coast since we're on the east coast right now by Miami, and I'm gonna go check out a property. I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, show you guys the different scenery around here, and it's a beautiful day, so hopefully we'll get to see some cool stuff. Alligator Alley toll road, and we'll get going here. We're still in the middle of nowhere. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're just south of, and I'm probably gonna mess up how you say this, Lake Okeechobee, something like that. So just south of that, there's not a whole lot out here. There's some little town that I just went through. It's kind of like just a lot of marsh area. I'm not sure what they're doing. There's like a lot of excavation and stuff like that going on throughout here. So I don't know what they're trying to do with this like marsh area or what goes on a regular basis. Like just a ton of like excavating going on through all these marshlands. But I will keep you guys updated as I see more cool stuff, but not a whole lot to see besides just a lot of straight roads and good weather. Vlog without some McDonald's, you guys. I'm gonna get a little breakfast going here because it's still in the morning. I want to get a little coffee and a little snack at the same time. Still breakfast menu, look at that. Hey, let's go. Uh-oh, Federales, they're getting somebody. Look at that. C4, I think it's a ZR1, but check that out. Roads are smooth, it's not rattling the panels off the car. So pretty interesting. What I just went past was Sandlot Off-Road Adventure Park. It says it's in Punta Gorda, but that's another cool little attraction here. I guess there's all sorts of things. A bunch of side-by-sides, they got like a little lake and stuff. Pretty cool. But this is where we are, out here in the middle of nowhere, if you're wondering. But I don't know, it's refreshing. It's a different change of scenery. So you got like sand on the side shoulders and a lot of palm trees and kind of like this very evergreen look. Okay, here's some slightly more exciting stuff. We're just coming in through, I guess, Port Charlotte. You can see there, Sarasota's 47 miles north. And Tampa is just further north than that. So I think this is like Punta Gorda-ish area. I don't know, I'm a newbie, but looks pretty cool here. And I'm not too far from where I am going to look, and we'll see what this house has to offer. Okay, so here's the 2-car garage attached to the home. You don't know the dimensions on this, right? Just maybe I'm gonna say 20 by...
Yeah, 20 by 20 is a standard 2-car garage on most homes.
So here's coming from the house. It's the shop. Probably fits 4 cars maybe. And here it is from this side. 10-foot ceilings. So we definitely have height for a lift. But I guess it's 24 feet wide and 40 feet long. So you might be able to squeeze 3 across the front here. But be tight.
200 amps, sir.
Okay, so it's got 200 amp right there.
Yeah.
So over there's the garage. You got the pool, and you got a hot tub over here. And on this side, you got all open concepts into the house. Pretty cool. Okay guys, there's the setup without completely giving the place away, and there's the garage. Okay, so far this town looks pretty nice. Everything's brand new and stuff in this little area. Huge gas station, roads are all good. Price of diesel is $3.35, price of regular is $3.09. We got a brand new Home Depot and stuff. Brand new car wash. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, so we're just headed towards the beach. That's definitely one way to carry a motorcycle. Hopefully, that doesn't belong to anybody, but that sucks. So we just went over some sort of causeway, and I'm gonna head towards the beach. It's not that far from the beach, which is nice too. So there's stuff to do, you know, when not working, which would be obviously a plus. So I head over there, and then we'll check it out and see what we see. Thank you.
Good day.
You too. All right, so we're just going across this little bridge, a $6 toll. But I figure we're here. We gotta check this out. Probably only gonna be here for like 5 minutes, but damn, down. Look at that view, boys. That is too cool. Definitely worth it. So we would definitely be getting a boat if we move out here. It would be a shame not to own one, I think. There she is. There's the Gulf. There's a series of bridges, so I guess that's why there's the tolls. Damn, these guys are living it up over here. Some narcos houses. Here's those houses from the front side, you guys. Definitely big money here. Look, I had like 5 garages on it. We could have fit everything in there. Just have to have about $5 million probably. $1 million per garage. I wonder what these places cost. Definitely a nice area though. So this is called Boca Grande, I believe. This is this little strip of island that we're on. Alright, well the beach is definitely nice. It looks very similar to when I went to Clearwater Beach. You get this white sand everywhere. And I mean, this is kind of getting in the winter months. We're here in November. But definitely a super nice spot. And this is only like maybe 20 minutes, half an hour away from the potential new Boosted Motorsports headquarters. We got the Ram sitting over here. This is really nice, you guys. It's almost like we're vacationing, but we would be close to home base. Here's another little spot a little bit further down. Looks like there used to be a pier there, but the pier is no mo. And then that's pretty much like the end of the peninsula thing that we're on. We're at the southernmost edge of this Boca Grande. But definitely liking this little area, you guys. Wouldn't be a bad little beach getaway. Okay, see how there's the golf carts on that path? If you guys have ever watched Danny Duncan, his hometown is like pretty much next to this place. I am like 99% sure that's where Danny Duncan filmed all that stuff with him crashing golf carts and all that stuff is ripping down these paths right here.
I'm gonna have to pay for all these golf carts, dude. How much do you think it's gonna cost? It's your responsibility, dude. They're in your name.
So pretty much it looks like that on the video. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. You guys will die laughing watching this guy fly around on these golf carts. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. So back in Coral Springs now. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of that place. Anything that I didn't see that you guys saw, or you know, what you guys think of that space. I think it's more space than we had. Again, it's gonna be pretty much, we got 24 by 40 feet and then just a standard 2-car garage. So we'd be able to fit at least, I would say, you know, probably 6 vehicles, probably 4 in the big garage and then 2 in the main garage. And then if we put lifts and stuff like that, or we, you know, squeeze them door to door, you might be able to fit more than 4 in there. But definitely an improvement. But comment down below what you guys think. Let me know anything else, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to try to make a decision here, see what we can work out with the real estate agent, and also keep my eye out and see if I see anything else. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.